So the get flow is working perfectly fine. If I just try to add a new customer, give some random values over here, click on add. So it says that the customer details are saved. Now when I'm coming over here, you see that this is not getting updated. So this is the second place that we had already discussed earlier, where we need to add the get flow. So let's just go to the Visual Studio Code. So in the Visual Studio Code, we'll just go to the flow that is there, right? We are trying to open the data from the customer.component.ts over here. And once the model is opened, we enter some data into the form. Then we just call the post method of the API. Once it is successfully saved, we are closing the model. So when we are closing the model, what I want to do is send back a result to the customer component. And how do I do that? Over here on the close, we're just sending a result event closed. So this is the result that would be sent back to this customer component. I'm saving it. And now once that is done, I want to go to the customer component, and over here in the open function, I'm taking the result. Once I receive the result, I want to perform a function. Now what I want to perform is, I want to check first of all if the data that we have received and there is event property in it, is it equal to the one that we have sent back from here. You see that this is the property that we are sending, right? Event value is closed. So that is what I want to match over here. And if it is matching, then we should just call this dot customer get details. So you're able to see that this is the second point we are calling the get customer details function. First was that we are calling it on the initialization of the page. Whenever we are coming to this particular component, we are calling the get method, and then once we are closing the pop-up after saving the data successfully, at that time also we are trying to call it. So let me just save it and we'll go to the browser again. Now this is reloaded. So all of the get flow is working fine on the customer initialization, but let's just try to add a new customer. Entering some random values again. I'm clicking on add. It says successfully saved. And you see, now the data is getting refreshed as soon as the pop-up is closed, because we have confirmed from the dialog box that we are closing the pop-up, and then once we come back to the customer component, it is checking if we have closed the pop-up. So at that time we should just update this particular table with a new record that was entered. So I hope all of you have understood that we have completed the get flow for this customer component at the two places that we wanted to. After this, what we'll do is we'll work on the delete functionality for this customer component.